Hi, I'm Mike Bray, woodworking instructor at the Randall Museum for the last 16 years. We have an amazing setup of online classes for you to learn how to do woodworking at home with hand tools. So without any knowledge or any tools, we'll teach you how to get the right tools and how to use them and how to make stuff. And one of the main things we're going to use or make is a set of beautiful handmade sawhorses, which will make a bench for you to make other stuff on. So check out our classes and sign up. It's going to be amazing.